Hello everybody, this is the follow-up video from my last video about GameStop that I made a couple of days ago, where I advised people against buying GameStop stock right now because this is a trend right now that you're reading about in the newspapers, and when you read about something like this in the newspapers, it's already too late to jump on that train. So I actually want people not to buy GameStop stock because, as I said, it's probably not gonna go up to 3,000 or whatever, So if you buy it at 300, it's much too late. You read about it in the newspapers. When you read about these kind of trends in the newspapers, it's already too late to jump in. You should never jump on trends that you read about in the newspaper. If you want to win on this kind of trend, you have to be very early enough that the risk usually don't that the risk is much higher than the chance of return. That's when you should have chipped in, when the risk was huge. Now that you're reading about it in the newspapers, the risk seems smaller because everybody's jumping in, but actually it's much higher, and that is what we're seeing. A couple of days ago I made this video. It was $250, the stock, and right now today it has fallen to $87 and it's going down. If we look at the last 5 days, so when I made the video, the last video, it was January 31st. So when I made this video, when I made the last video, it was around here. So it was over $300, and I want people not to jump on this trend because it's too late. If you buy it at 300 and you expect that it's gonna grow 10 times more than that, from where it was, the exponential growth was so huge that it's simply not gonna happen again. So I'm glad I didn't buy GameStop stock, and you shouldn't either. So even now that it's down, you might think, wow, now it's at 90. Let me chip in, let me jump in right now, and it's gonna go up to 300-400 again, or maybe 1,000. I would not do that. I would not, the risk is very high right now. There are a lot of big players trying to shut this game down because it's affecting all kinds of markets. And now they're even talking about, the guys at Wall Street Bets that did all of this with the GameStop stock, almost crashing the stock market. They're talking about doing the same to silver or doing the same to some other stocks. And, I would not follow any of the advice or any of the trends that you see, at Wall Street Bets, because right now Wall Street also has their eyes open on that side, and I'm seeing other people that invest with Wall Street Bets start to regret right now, and seeing that the trend is turning and they're actually gonna lose a lot of money with Wall Street Bets. So So don't do it. GameStop is going down. It's simply over for this stock. It's gonna continue to go down. Some people, they buy in. They would buy in right now. Now it jumped to 80. It was at 89. It jumped to 86 as we were speaking. So many people, they would 83. So many people, they would say, well, now is the chance. It's 83. It's going to go up to 300 again. The risk is simply too high. So GameStop is a failing company. GameStop, they're selling something that nobody is buying anymore. You know, their whole brand is selling games on discs and whatever, and nobody is buying these kinds of games anymore. Everybody is downloading them or buying keys online or whatever. Nobody goes to GameStop, and GameStop, it's a business that it's the blockbuster of the year 2000 or whatever. You know, it it's simply like like Blockbuster. If you remember, you might not even know Blockbuster if you're young, but if you remember what happened with Blockbuster, GameStop is the Blockbuster of computer games, and you know, it's just a meme that they even got the stock up this high. So I'm pretty sure, you know, it's not gonna happen again. Even, you know, it might happen, but the risk is extremely high right now. So just stay away with it. Just stay away from it. Watch it, have fun watching it. Watch other people bet on it, and you know, you're gonna laugh when they burn. You know, you're gonna be happy that you didn't put money into this stock. So, you know, that's my 2 cents on it. I wanted to give you a follow-up on the last video that I made. I'll put it in the description where you can see what I said a couple of days ago when the stock was up high. I was warning people, and now it's fallen like I predicted. So stay away from it, guys. So if you like this or like the former video, please like this video, like the former video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. And I'm looking forward to do my next video with you guys. Let me just see here quickly. So we had this. So I predict that the stock will fall even below what it was. You know, it's gonna fall at what it was 6 months ago. It's gonna fall to like a couple of dollars. So it was $4. And if you buy at 90, you're gonna lose a lot of money when it falls to 4 and never rises again. You know, this company is gonna fail sooner or later. You know, sooner probably. So, you know, 90. If you put 100,000 right now, you're basically gonna lose 90% of it. So I wouldn't do it if I was you guys. You know, that's my 2 cents on it. Thank you everybody for watching. Like, subscribe. I'll see you